How to check saved snaps on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check saved snaps on Snapchat. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply swipe up from the bottom of the screen and this will open your memories section. Now here inside memories, you'll see all your saved snaps. And there at the top, you'll see different tabs. So there you can just go on the stories tab to view your saved stories as well, and with that you can just go back to the main screen, and from there you can simply open the chat of the person you want, and from there you can just tap on the name, and once you are inside the chat you can just tap on the name at the top, and after that on the next page, if you scroll down through their profile, then you will see the section called saved in chats. So under that you can just tap on view all saved, and there you'll see all the snaps that have been saved in that particular conversation. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.